Hello people! Hello world! Andito po kami sa Finland ngayon, Tornio again. And we just walking here. Titingnan po namin kung ano ang meron dito. Yan. Ito po, Haniko, what's that flag?
I don't know. Italia.
Ito po, magtitinda sila dito. Ayun, ang mga paninda nila. Oh, candies. Ayan po, lakrits. Mga candy. Magi-start pa lang sila. Maybe tomorrow.
Chew.
Now I understand. They have different kind of flags. So maybe many Europe countries coming here. Wow. Yes. This one, what's the flag? What flag is this?
Pakistan. No.
Ang lamig po. It's so cold here. Really cold.
Australia.
The Australian barbecue. Ito. I don't know that. Yan po ulit yung mga vlog na magkakatabing bansa. Dami.
So you'll not be sick that travel.
Yes, Haniko. Don't worry. I'm okay. Ito po. What is this? They not yet start.
Fishing. Muikku. Fishing.
It's this one. Oh
Yeah.
no, Nico, the flowers. I forgot.
Where will you?
Look that one from Italy, con amore. Amore. Huh? I don't like that.